Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today we're diving into a troubleshooting guide for Sony Bravia Android TVs. If your TV is acting up or you're looking to refresh it, a reset might just do the trick. Let's get started. Step 1. Preparing for reset. Before we begin, make sure to grab your Sony TV remote and ensure you're a comfortable spot to access the TV. Also, if you have any personalized settings or apps you want to keep, note them down because a reset will erase everything. Step 2. Accessing settings menu. To initiate the reset, first, navigate to the settings menu on your Sony Bravia TV. You can do this by pressing the home button on your remote, scrolling down to settings, and then selecting it. Step 3. Selecting device preferences. In the settings menu, scroll down and find device preferences. This section holds essential options for managing your TV settings. Step 4. Performing factory data reset. Within device preferences, locate and select storage amp reset or a similar option depending on your TV model. Here, you'll find the option to factory data reset your TV. Step 5. Confirming the reset. Once you select factory data reset, your TV will prompt you with a confirmation screen. Be sure you're ready to proceed because this action cannot be undone. Step 6. Completing the reset. After confirming, your Sony Bravia Android TV will begin the reset process. This may take a few minutes as the TV clears all settings and restarts to its factory state. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your Sony Bravia Android TV. Remember, this is a powerful troubleshooting step if you're experiencing issues or just want a fresh start. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and guides. Thanks.